In this video, I will show you how to activate Badoo Premium for free quickly. First, open the Badoo app. By default, you'll land in the Encounters section. To get started, navigate to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you're in your profile, look to the top right and tap the Settings icon, which looks like a gear. Inside the Settings menu, select the first option labeled Account. Here, you'll see several options like Hide Account, Forgot Password, and at the very bottom in small text, Delete Account. Go ahead and tap Delete Account. Don't worry, we're not actually going to delete anything. This option usually appears only if you haven't used Badoo Premium before. Once you click on it, you'll be asked if there's any way to change your mind. Scroll down and you should see an offer for Badoo Premium completely free for 3 days. Just tap Free Premium to activate it. Depending on your account type and activity, some users might get more than 3 days, some even receive up to 14 days. That's all it takes to activate your free trial of Badoo Premium. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. For more tech videos like this, subscribe. Catch you in the next one.